As the temperatures soar, and so is the politics in Bhatinda really rising. We have with us Parampal Kaur, a journey from an administrator now to a full-time politician. Ma'am, how's the journey really been? It seems like an uphill task, and it's a four-corner contest.
No, it's not a uphill task. It's a four-cornered contest, no doubt. But BJP is going to win with a big margin, and it's not tough at all.
Because Harsimrat has been on the seat for 15 years, 5 years each. She's completed the term from 2009, 14, and 19. How do you see her? And then there is obviously the Gurmeet Khudia factor.
She has not performed in her own department. Not a single unit of food processing has come to this constituency. So she has no connection with people either. People hate her attitude, so there's a huge lot of anti-incumbency for her. As far as Khudia Sahib is concerned, you can see the performance of Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab. People are sick and tired of them. They have not done anything as promised. So there's no challenge to me. I'm going to win with a big margin.
You seem rather confident, but also do tell us, as far as this constituency is concerned, what do you think you bring to the table, to the people? There is massive issue of drugs. There is also an issue of unemployment. There's also been a lot of talk about the AIIMS in Bhatinda and also about the cancer hospital and everything. But who do you think? Because everybody wants to take credit for that.
No, they try to take credit, but everyone knows it's a central government scheme. AIIMS has come to all other states too, not only Punjab. So even the location of AIIMS is not very good. They have located it near their own farm, towards Badal village, instead of locating it on the national highway between the two districts. So they have not taken care of Mansa at all, because Mansa is very far from AIIMS also. So credit goes to the central government, whatever they have done. The location was in their hands, and which is before you. So I don't think there's any...
And there seems to be a lot of trouble where as far as your voluntary retirement and then obviously about your subsequent resignation. How difficult has that journey been? You think that was deliberate?
Yeah, in Aam Aadmi Party, everything is difficult for a woman especially. You have seen Swati Maliwal's case. They have literally beaten her up. Aam Aadmi Party did not give seat to a single woman and not ticket to a single woman candidate. It's only BJP which has given seats to 3 women candidates, the tickets to 3 women candidates including me, which the Aam Aadmi Party was deliberately opposing. That is before you. They did not oppose any male candidate. They opposed only me, so they're against women, they're anti-women. That is before people.
So the Prime Minister is expected here. Do you think this is going to be shot in the arm for the party?
Prime Minister Sahib is coming to Patiala. It's not very clear whether he's coming to Bhatinda or not. We might have other leaders like Yogi ji or Amit Shah ji
but
here.
He's expected to go to Jalandhar and Gurdaspur as well. But
yeah.
do you think his presence here, because last time around there was a lot of controversy as far as Firozpur is concerned, now that he's coming during election time, how do you think this is going to boost the morale of the party workers?
Yes, definitely, because he's a senior leader. He has led the party for 10 years. Not 10 years, rather he has been CM of Gujarat also. So it will give a boost to our campaign. Definitely it will.
Well, thank you so much for speaking to us. Parampal Kaur there, speaking to India Today. With camera person Chandiram, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Bhatinda.